next video, we will show you how to register your website in Google AdSense. Just type register website with AdSense on the Google search and click the first results, and then you can see there is all instruction about how you can create an AdSense account. After that, you can scroll down in this page. You can visit adsense.google.com/start. Okay. Then you can click login or creating your account. In here, for example, we already have the account. And you can see there, we have already activated account because we have YouTube monetized account. Then you can click continue in here. Or if you don't have the account, you can creating and fill the form. After that, click continue. In here, you need to type your website address. Just fill your website address here. Then you can select preference about AdSense news and click start. In here, you successfully submit your website, but it's not over. First, you can connect your website with Code by Google AdSense. Just select the option Connect your site to AdSense and click Let's Go button here. You can see the menu on the right of your screen. Copy all of this code provided by Google AdSense and place somewhere on your website, usually between head tag on the HTML. If you're using WordPress, you can easily create HTML on the widget and place this code. After you're done with the code, you can click Request Review. In here, your website is still pending and the status is getting ready. The ads will not appear until your approval status is ready. And in here, we need to wait and make sure our website is following guidelines by Google AdSense. That's all tutorial, how to submit websites for Google AdSense.